All right, guys, welcome to my Clickbank case study here. I'm not sure. I have that up there using my lead gen secrets. We're gonna promote it. All right, so let's get it started here. Not needed. Okay, so anyway, I ain't gotten a sale in a while. Be fair, haven't been using Clickbank that much often lately. I've been promoting other things, but we're gonna get back to it here. All right, so we're gonna go for the product. Now we're gonna go for the product that we seen work. That's we seen work personally. So we're gonna just stick back to social media jobs here. But it seems to work. So we're just gonna stick with it. I noticed all of my sales are coming from this every time. So we're gonna stick with it. We're gonna email swipe. We're gonna start with the first email swipe here. We're gonna get on saving how we my lead gen secrets here. On that. Boom. So boom. Here is gonna go ahead and copy. We're gonna write them a little differently, I think, than what we've been. YouTube, let's write it like this. YouTube will pay. Write this. A YouTuber would pay for him. All right, so that looks pretty good. So we're gonna just kind of just write the same. It's gonna be the same email for the most part. And this time we're gonna be doing some editing here for my stuff. Looking out for you. Signature. For signature, we're not gonna pick my name. I'm gonna pick the company's name here. I'm gonna try that. See what happens. Name. Boom. Copy. Right. From the country. Or area. Right, so just stick to it like that. That looks pretty good. Let's get the link. You know what? Let's try getting it's it. No, I'll bump that. I think the quiz is helpful. Like the default link is probably the best one to go for. But a quiz kind of tells you like what type of job you're best for. So let's go with major link here. All right, so we're gonna put the link in right here. Boom, boom. All right, there we go. Oh, all right, that looks pretty good. I put name fits. That don't sound right. First name fits. It's weird to pick the whole name. Weird to pick the whole name. Sorry about that. All right. All right. So let's just send this email here. Preview. The link works. Link works here. Yeah. Still, yeah. You take a quiz and figure out what your best job is. So that's why I like the default link. So anyway, let's send it because it's engaging. You know what I mean? Gets people wanting to check it out and see what would they fit. Even if they weren't interested before, they kind of interested in seeing what this will say. That usually how you gotta think. You just gotta use your own way of thinking and think, hold up, how would I think if I took a test? Like if I saw something like, hey, find out what you're most suited for. You'll be interested. You know what I mean? Even if you weren't interested before, you'll be interested in taking the test at least. So yeah, engagement is what you're shooting for here. So anyway, yeah, if you got other accounts, you log out, you log in here. You go to Spiffy next account. All right, so go in right here. Perfect timing. So we're gonna just copy paste here. Hopefully, get this. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Make sure to change the link here, so you can make sure that you know which account is getting sales from in the email. Right, that's your second account getting it. So let's go to the third here. Boom. Change the link. I forgot to change the link a couple of times. It didn't matter because I happened to not get sales on those days, but it was still worrying. Anyway, so I would know. It's not a big deal. Sales or sales. Don't really need to track them, but I like to know what's performing. You know what I mean? So anyway, and that's that, guys. Also, if you're interested in making recurring income using My Lead Gen Secret here, you can also check out the link in the description there, which would link up to Saving Highway Global. You can build recurring income with just $20 a month. If you want to, I have that link there. All right, yeah. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.